Hey guys, it's me, Risa. Welcome to my very, very messy kitchen because I'm going to be baking tomorrow, depending on when you're watching this, for Passover. With my daughter, we're going to make my brownies and the matzah crack. You guys know about that, right? Because you can make the Christmas crack and instead of matzah, use crackers, right? Anyways, all recipes are versatile. So I've seen this video, how to make these onion ring keto buns in a waffle maker. So I thought, you know what? Let's try it. And I thought that I would make an actual sandwich with it and have it with my leftover chicken meat. So you know what? Let's give this a try and see if it works. So I've already heated up my dash grill and I sprayed it and it's nice and hot. And I cut up Vidalia onion and I have two different types of cheese because I don't have a lot of cheese left. So I have this mozzarella cheese blend. It's 25% less fat cheese. And I have some Asiago as well, and I get both of them at Walmart. So depending whatever cheese you want, and some everything but the bagel or everything bagel seasoning as well. So I can't remember who does it on TikTok, but if you know who it is, you can tag her or let me know. Thank you very much. This is not my recipe. So I know a lot of people on Facebook make shaffles, they're called, with just cheese. So I'm just going to take some. She doesn't measure it either. So I'm just going to put some on here. You can hear it sizzle. And somebody else mentioned using a plate in case it all runs over. And then I'm going to just add some of the onion. I like Vidalia onion because it's just a sweeter onion. And then you add more cheese on top. Okay, so we're going to put the cheese on top and then I'm going to let it cook and we're going to see what it turns out to be like. And then make another one. So it's taken about 5 minutes for one side to get crispy, but this side is still gooey. So I'm going to turn it over and hopefully we can just cook the other side and see what happens. So it definitely needed to cook on the other side. And I'm going to now add it to a paper towel and now repeat. Oops, of course I dropped something. I'm going to add a little bit more cheese this time and see if it comes out any quicker. I also forgot to add the bagel seasoning that I wanted to just change this recipe up. So I'm going to add that now. I might add some more on top and then the more cheese. You know, when you watch a video, they make it seem like it only takes a few seconds for it to cook. But I have to tell you, you have to have some patience and allow this to cook. So we'll check this one out soon too. Okay, so here's the second one. It is quite crispy. I guess you definitely have to keep an eye on it. Always put a plate underneath for the runnings of the cheese. You can see it dripped down. And then I had it on paper towel for a few minutes just to get the extra grease off. Now I had some chicken meat from Metro, in case you were wondering. And then I just sprinkled on some everything bagel seasoning. And I was gonna make it into like a sandwich, but then I was thinking I'm just going to have it open-faced and with a Greek salad that I had left over too. So you need to have balanced meal, right? And I have this sweet with heat mustard. So let's try the first one. And I'm just going to add some of the chicken meat on top. Now, you could certainly add like lettuce and tomato and make it into like a bun, or you could just eat it open faced like I'm going to, because then it lasts longer, right? And there's more to eat. So let's check this out, okay? We're going to check this out. So all the rave of these onion cheese buns, or waffles you want to call it, or shuffle. Here it is. And not bad. Crispy. But as I mentioned while I was filming, it takes a lot longer when they speed up these videos than you expect. So definitely keep an eye on them. If you have 2 waffle makers, it'll make it a lot faster. I hope you love this video and you make it. You can change it up, add whatever condiment, add whatever veggie, have it with a salad, have it with a stir fry. I have tons of videos on my YouTube channel that you can check out, and you can enjoy this recipe all year long, right? So depending on if you celebrate certain holidays and you can't eat bread, hello, for like Passover, you can enjoy this recipe as well. And use different cheeses and get, creative. That's what it's all about. This is just a base. I saw this on TikTok, not TikTok. Oh my God, TikTok. And then, and not TALK, although they do talk a lot, right? Like I am. Okay, so that's it. Subscribe, share, like, comment. Bye for now.